ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 Ha ka sngi tho ding jong ka tayo ka khat tarik ubanai nai weng arajar arphuai ka Frank Yamaha ka bade ka company ka bajupun mi ya ki arshaka kalapan ko buram kerpang ya ki nong pathai khubor hagani ka jilla kum ka dak ka jing itho ya ki kum ki sipai ha ka thama COVID-19 ka Frank Yamaha ka shimba ki nong pathai khubor ki dei ki paya ba ha ka ban wanra ya ki jingtep ba pher hagani ka thama COVID-19 Hagani ka jingelang ka balingkot ka balalong ha Palau office jong ka Nespas u president ka Shillong Press Club ulalong kumukongsan ha rengkat ka jingedon lang jong executive director jong ka Nespas u ba Pius Rani bat kiwei pad.
Now we're doing this at a beautiful lawn and chilling out in some awesome indigenous delicacies. I hope some of the people from Yamaha, the territory manager, maybe take back something about what we guys do to launch a bike. We also launch our own culture as well. And I hope that you see it's very good to sell and use the media to, really propagate you guys. But the media will also, get after your asses if you don't service your customers clear. So we have a fair deal. So we promote you, but you look after our people, especially our young ones who are bike freaks, right? Great. And of course, if you can, I believe there are a lot of finance issues also that our young people have here vis-a-vis with other parts of the country. So maybe you could possibly look, our young people are intelligent, resourceful, hardworking, and honest. They don't kind of cheat on EMIs, right? So put that, please. And foot soldiers, I don't need to say anything because everybody's right in front of you. They've all been doing their bit, and they've been unsung heroes. We've had our most respected government via the Deputy CM having declared us frontline workers on the 27th of May this year, but that's still in his lips. It hasn't reached his hands as yet to notify. So thank you, Yamaha, for recognizing my colleagues. They've been working very hard under tremendous challenges, constraints, financial, non-financial, physical, spiritual, mental, all kinds, but they come here with a smiling face to thank Yamaha and especially Indon and team for being humble enough to think of us and remember us when we do all the spade work. Thank you very much. God bless Yamaha and everybody here.
Ini apa?
Today, about David, about Soklet, about Rani, Mr. Rakib, thank you for sparing your valuable time to be here at today's unveiling. And to all of you, our COVID-19 warriors, for all your hard work and dedication in these difficult times. I mean, your humility, your strength, your kindness are greatly appreciated. Thank you once again for, for being our nation's guiding light in these times of adversity. Of course, a special thank you goes to the NSFAS people for making all these arrangements, last-minute arrangements. Thank you guys. Good job.
Meghalaya, here comes the new Yamaha.
Thank you, Pak David.